Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to take a few minutes to just wish each of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to come. I know I'm about a week early, but as usual around this time of the year, I'm going to take a couple weeks off just to spend time, finish up my Christmas shopping and spend time with my family during the holidays. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for a great year. I've had so much fun. And I got more to come. We'll be back after the first of the year with our first video in a new season. And hopefully in the springtime, you're going to see a little bit more why I named my channel Mostly Outdoors. So it's coming up in the spring, guys, and I can't wait. So guys, thanks as always. I'll finish up with a little montage of our videos through the year. And see you in 2021. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.